YouTube, my burnout squad. I'm coming at y'all with another video. New headlight installation. Having problems with my previous headlights that I have on now. It's flickering a little bit. Show y'all what I got. You see it's flickering. Reason they're about the exact same type of headlights. These what the headlights look like now, and they change colors and stuff. Give y'all something to look at. I'm gonna get with y'all in a minute after I get into this installation. You get it? All right. See what y'all will do next. Now getting into it, you gonna pop these rivets. These little, what they call them, trees, whatever you wanna call them, and then you gonna disconnect right here. Mine is covered up a little bit from the fender wells. You gonna disconnect your fog, not your fog lights, your signal lights. So you won't rip it out when you take your grill off. Same on this side, pull that same rivet right there. And it's a lock on it too. So you gonna pull this red lock back and push down on it and pull it out. This is the other signal light after you pull the rivets out. And I'll get back with y'all when I get done doing that. All right, as of now, I got, as I told you, is you pull, so you can pull all your signal lights out so you won't rip them out and everything. And as you pull all these rivets, there's a rivet here, the rivets all align this. If I push it back up, you can see it. Rivets all on the top bed right here, and you pull them back. You can pick up on your bumper. It's plugs down here, and you can pull up on your bumper and pull it out. But I can't pull my bumper out because my bumper is steel, and that mug is right next to it's right next to it. But I can't pull it out. But I'm gonna get with y'all. This should be a T. What is this? A T15 is what you'll need. T15 is what you'll need to take out your headlights. I already have some customs in, so get with y'all after you pull out every screw. It should be 4. You make sure you keep this ring because you need that to cover back up. You get this ring off. Same thing right here, you guys. You're gonna pull that red tab back to unlock it, and you're gonna pull your headlight out. I forgot to say that in the video. Just pull the headlight out. Simple. And then same with the other side. Get this with T15. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it's holding the light in. And then you're gonna get the ring off, pull that one out. Same way. And after you pull as you talked about this, pull every one of them screws around the retainer. Then you can, these are your harnesses that'll come with your new ones when you get new headlights. It's gonna be this green adapter here for your new harness. You're gonna plug this one in to that one. And same with the other one. You're gonna plug that one into that one. And you're gonna route your wires. As I show you, you're gonna route these wires, because these wires are the ones that's gonna connect to the headlights. So they can be daytime running lamp, as you see here. So they can be a daytime running lamp. That's your daytime running lamp. Those two top, bottom, the other one. And as you route them, so come back, you gonna your control bar, your control center, you gonna say that, and you're gonna plug them in right beside, right in here, as you see. As a replacement, that's where your daytime running lamp thing is at. See, as I was showing you right here, you're gonna plug it in right in this second one right here, where I got this pointer right down in here. And then I'm gonna run the lamps first before I connect anything together and plug everything in, because that'll be a backwards mistake. As you can see, the headlights are indeed working now. Just to flick it on and stuff. And also, the only reason why my daytime running lamp wasn't working right here, you have to make sure you start your car, and then it'll flick on as it just runs. And they both do work, as you see. As I get to connecting the rest of the stuff, I'll show you all in a minute. See, now we're getting into the wire now. As I told you, as you plug this one in right here, right in front of the other 10, you gon', well, unless you wanna cut you a nice little hole so you won't mess with the seal or nothing, you gonna make your hole or a little slope, or you know, a little incision, and bring it around through here all the way down, outlining, which I have mine. It's all hidden behind here. You can see it here all the way down. This is the shorter side of the connector, and you're gonna bring it all the way through as it connects to this first light, and then the other one, which I brought it all the way down below past the intake. Down here, you can still see it all the way down, over to here, past the coolant reservoir, and back up to here as it'll connect to the next headlight. And then that's where the control module for your where you connect your Bluetooth to change your lights at. I'm gonna mount that probably either over here or somewhere back here. I get to y'all when I get done with that and have all the connectors and everything, and connect the red with the red as it shows you. Everything is on this paper. It shows you how to do everything, man. Get back with y'all in a minute. But yeah, y'all, about the end of it. It took me forever because I had to find this damn T15. I lost it. After you get everything mounted and stuff, connected right, you'll have these lights on like you're supposed to. And then as you get the little module for the color change on your app, it'll get the flashing just like that. But that's about it, y'all, man. Appreciate y'all for watching. I don't want to hold y'all up or nothing. Like, subscribe for more content, and I'll get back with y'all. Out.